So hi viewers, welcome to Craft Your Future. Thank you for watching. So today's topic is what blessings are coming for you in the next 30 days. Okay. So I always take timeline like 30 days because first of all I don't have patience to wait for so long time. So same thing. Okay, even the someone watching, whomever have patience, they may be ready to watch. Wait for like a 3 months, 6 months, but I personally don't take a lot of time. Okay, so what kind of or what blessings are coming for you in the next 30 days? Whatever blessings. Okay, this reading is about all about blessings, but you know that sometimes if at all something is coming means you need to release certain things. Okay, if one blessing is coming means whatever is there already in your life, you need to remove that and you need to make space for that blessing. It is not that universe is going to drop that blessing in your mess. No. The reason why universe won't do is if at all universe try to drop the blessing because anyway it belongs to Anita, so let's give that blessing. It is our responsibility to give that blessings to Anita. Even though she is in a mess, we will drop that blessing in mess. They won't do that. Okay. The reason is first they want to clear all the mess. Then they will drop the blessing. Then we will realize, we will acknowledge that this is a blessing. If at all they drop that blessing in mess, you're never going to acknowledge. You're never going to know what of it. You are going to treat that blessing also like a one of the thing in that mess. Or you are going to treat how you are treating the mess around you. So you cannot recognize what is beautiful blessing universe gave it to you. If at all you are surrounded by the mess or you yourself is in a mess. That's right. That is the reason why first universe will make that space, clear that space so that when the blessing comes we will be free. Our space will be clean. Okay, and our brain will be clear. Then the moment we receive the blessing, we will know that yes, this is a blessing. If at all you are already waiting for such a kind of blessing from long time, you will acknowledge it immediately. Yes, this is what I am waiting for so long time. Finally I got it. Thank you God. Right? That's where you need to acknowledge it. You need to appreciate it. You should not take it for granted, or you should not ignore, or you should not treat like one of the shit who you already have a lot of shit. Now understand that is the reason. But as a human psychology, human is like no matter whether it is a mess, whether it is a shit, whether it is a blessing, we don't want to leave certain things in our life. We don't want to leave. No, I want this because we have attachment. I am using my copper bottle nearly from 3-4 years, I think. Just a couple of days back, I don't know that I never kept it in the refrigerator. And hot here, summer heat is very high, so I kept it in refrigerator. After becoming ice, open up like this. It opened completely. Really, I felt very bad. It is not that I cannot buy some other bottle, but the attachment, whatever I carry, I always used to carry that bottle. Whenever, even though it at home also, in my bedroom, I used to keep that bottle beside my bed. And that's the attachment, right? That's how, no matter it is like a materialistic things or relationships, friendships, some kind of job, some kind of work, right? We will, it is a nature, psychology, our psychology that we will get attached to it. No matter whether it is good or bad, that can be different. If maybe, as I said just now, my bottle I'm using for from past 3 to 4 years, I think. Maybe that bottle may be already expired. Maybe I need to throw that bottle. I should go for something new. I should buy something new. But I'm like, it is there. Why should I throw? Normal, right? It is there. It is not like my mobile that I need to update. I need to get updated mobile, updated Android version. Not right. So it is bottle and it is clean only. Then why should I change? That's how. So certain things maybe we need to remove from our life. But as I said just now, we won't do that. It is not that whether maybe we don't know that, as in my case, which is with the bottle, maybe that bottle may be expired, I need to throw that, I need to buy something new, some new bottle, but I'm not doing that because it is fine. I'm using it, I don't have any problem, why should I throw, right? In the same way, in our life also, maybe certain things we may be habituated, and everything is fine, Anita. Why should I throw this? Why should I leave this? The job is fine. I'm getting my salary. Everything is fine. Why I should leave this job? Maybe whatever in that job you acquired, that knowledge, wisdom, talent, skill sets, it is all those things not going to match for this job, match for this organization. With all those things, you may be up for something new, which is more better than this. Where whatever knowledge you acquired here, there you may be going to create something new, or there you can utilize this knowledge more in more efficient way in the other organization. Not here. Here maybe nothing is left to learn, but we won't think in that way, right? That's how. That is the reason universe want us to release certain things, remove time to time. We want it, we don't want it. Okay, as people like me, as I said, most of the time I update myself. It doesn't mean that whether it is working, not working, I always keep myself in update. As simple as just now I said about the bottle, such a kind of thing I ignore. I don't think about much. When it comes to my mobile, every 3 years, no matter how good condition it may be, I will change my mobile, because 3 years only I will use. After 3 years, I need to get that updated mobile. Okay, so that's how. Because 3 years, after 3 years, so many things will be changed. So many upgradation will become in the past mobile. That is also smart mobile, but it is a 4G kind of thing, 3G, 4G. So if at all someone try to hack our mobile, someone try to read our messages, cloning kind of things, we won't used to get any notifications. But when it comes to this mobile now, new mobile, new version, 5G, we will get pop-up messages immediately. Phone not even let us to open our mobile. The moment we try to unlock, your phone is cloned, someone is reading everything. So we need again switching off the phone, doing resetting kind of thing, taking action towards that. Right? That's how. That is the reason why we need to get upgraded. But as I said just now, it is like a water bottle, or in our home some certain things we won't change. Everything is fine. Why we should, right? But sometimes universe is like, okay, this thing is now over, because we need to replace something new. That time universe will remove it. As I said, when it comes to mobile, I won't feel anything, because I myself making the decision that after 3 years I need to change. So once 3 years comes, I will look for the new mobile which is good in the market at that time, and I will look for the features whatever I needed, whether it is there or not, right? But when it comes to just now, couple of days back, bottle gone. Bottle also 3 to 4 years. Yeah, maybe I need to throw that, but I'm not doing it. But it happened suddenly. Now I'm feeling really, I felt very sad for that whole day. Even my mom said, you can buy something else, some new bottle. Why you are feeling so much? I felt like stupid. I did the stupidity that why I kept it in the refrigerator. So maybe I need to do that. That's how we feel in our life also. Something is removed, maybe it is over, the time is expired, we need to remove. But as a psychology, we won't do that. No. It is good, everything fine. Why should I remove? Right? But whether we want it, we don't want it, universe will do that cleansing cycle. It will happen. As a spiritual people, we always say when we are doing some readings also, you should cleanse. You should cleanse your energy. You should release your energy, right? But even though you want it or not, in the nature, in the universe, everything will be cleansed time to time. As simple as, you know it or not, we got pandemic, right? Every 100 years it will happen. Every 100 years we will get that pandemic to completely cleanse the entire planet. That's how, right? How difficult we felt about that pandemic. It is like we are losing our lives. Don't know who is going to die tomorrow, whether we are going to live tomorrow or not. Right? Our lives are completely different that time. So that process will be like that. If at all we are already prepared mentally, we won't feel any kind of discomfort, right? Because we already prepared and we are the one who made the decision to cleanse it or release it. So we won't feel any kind of discomfort or hard to release certain things. But sudden things, suddenly releasing something, we feel no, we cannot. We feel clinginess. We feel that stubborn nature to carry that. It is natural, right? So after getting going through the reading, after watching the reading, if at all you get such a kind of messages, you have this blessing, but this is what stopping you to get that blessing. That is nothing but you need to release something. You need to let go of some past thing. Then only universe can send that, give that new blessing. It is already holding. Universe is already holding and waiting when this person is going to release that. So that the moment they release, we are going to keep that blessing in their hands. But as I said just now, we won't do that. That's where universe will throw that unexpectedly, suddenly. That's where we will get that tower moments, sudden, right? We don't have any other option then. We need to accept that change. Of course, for some time we are going to feel uncomfortable. The discomfort will be there. The attachment will be there. Still we carry that attachment to the old thing, even though it has not existed. Still energetically we carry attachment to that things. But slowly, once we get that new blessing, whatever it may be, slowly our energy will be completely released from the past, settle with the new thing, whatever we had. Okay, it is like a process, right? When you get such kind of messages, don't get triggered. Okay, whatever is happening, only one thing we need to do is surrendering. Most of the people don't do that. Even though they know that universe don't want to keep this, they try to keep that. They try to keep that. They try to hold it tightly. That's where the death experiences will come. Means you are not listening to the universe. You want to work against the universe. Actually, universe is removing something from your life. It is not that universe don't like you. It is not that universe don't love you. It is not that universe don't want you to have that. It is not good for you. Universe is like a mother. If something is good for their child, it will keep. If that universe sees that this thing is not good for this kid, it will remove. Even though it is difficult for that kid to handle it without that, still it will do that. The reason it is not good for you, right? You should think in that way. That is the reason when universe is doing something, we should surrender, so that things will go smoothly, no matter what it is. You are not going to feel that hardship, blockage, tension, pressure, stress, depression, anxiety. It is all, we are the one who is not surrendering, who is not accepting, who don't want to change, who want to stuck in the same situation, who want to stick with the old things. Means that clinginess, right? If at all we are like, okay, surrendering, that's it. It will become smooth. The process will be continued. The process will be continued. The only thing is, if at all we surrender, the process feels like a smoother way. That process will happen smoothly. If at all you are not surrendering, like sailing against the wind, means even though no matter how much you try, you need to put more efforts, you are going to drain yourself. Because whatever you are doing, it is not good for you. Right? So take in that way, because the reading itself is like a blessing. So when you need to release something, don't get triggered. Don't think in that, no, sad, disappointed, no, I don't want to leave it. Sit with yourself. Anyway, it is in-depth reading, right? I will do in-depth reading, so I will give pin-to-pin messages like why you should release, why you should let go of this thing, why it is not good for you. It is going to help you to understand complete thing. Because as a human beings, when we see that, we only see that, we are losing it, we are losing it, we are losing it. We don't see in depth the meaning internally, why we are losing it. What is the next thing coming to us? What universe want to replace in that place? We cannot. We want to think. We want to be in that position. This reading will help you to understand the situation, on the process. So it will helpful for you to be more calm, more surrender to the universe. Let the universe to continue that process. Okay. So instead of working against the universe or going against the universe, right? I think in the last reading I got certain messages which is like someone is not giving up or someone is doing something. So it is better to, mostly in the blessings reading, even though it is like a blessing, as I said, you are getting something means definitely universe is removing something. It is not that yes, I already have, so universe is going to throw other blessing also in that. No, you are not going to acknowledge, you are not going to aware, you are not going to appreciate, you are not going to show gratitude towards the universe, because you already have a lot of stuff. It won't make any difference, right? That is the reason. So don't get triggered if at all you get the messages that you need to leave certain things behind. Okay, and let's surrendering yourself. Yeah, you can watch multiple points, because what blessings are coming for you in the next 30 days. You can watch multiple points, but take time between the points. Okay, because it is not just what blessings are you are receiving. Blessings attached with different things. As I said, some releasings. Okay, some blockages. You maybe need to change your own mindset. That is also one way release. Releasing your own mindset, whatever you are carrying, right? So you can watch multiple, but take time between the piles. So tree agate. What is this here? Amethyst, lapis lazuli. Let's get into the reading. So pile number 1, whomever choose tree agate. So meanwhile, go and subscribe if at all you not subscribe. If at all you already subscribed, thank you for the subscribe. Click the join button, have a look at our YouTube store, watch the ads. So pile number 1. What blessings are coming for my pile number 1 in the next 30 days? So meanwhile, go and subscribe. What blessings are coming for my pile number 1? Maybe you are going to meet someone who is going to match with your passion, fire, or at least if at all you have goals, ambitions, you may be going to attract same kind of partner. With the same person, you may be going to share 2 of cups, because either you may be the queen of cups or you may be the king of cups. If at all whomever you are watching, you are the queen of cups, you are going to meet the king of cups. With the same person, you are going to have 2 of cups. Not just emotionally, you both are going to be in a deep emotional bonding. When it comes to passion also, you both may be going to share same passion, fire, goals, ambitions. Okay, this person is going to match with your passionate, fiery energy, or at least you have some kind of goals, ambitions. They also may be carrying same kind of goals. Passion, love, both are coming. So you're not going to get disappointed. Universe don't want to disappoint you in any way. They want to give you love and passion both. So what blessings are coming for you in the next 30 days? Okay. You need to end some cycle. You may be not ending some cycle. You need to end. Now, whatever cycle you are in, you need to end that cycle. What blessings are coming for you in the next 30 days? If at all you are dealing with someone who is like an emperor, if at all you are working with someone who is like an emperor, or dealing with someone who is like a bossy energy, you should leave that person, because you should end up with the king of cups, father figure, family man, not this professional person. If at all you have some kind of connection with your boss, because emperor I got, okay, you need to end that connection so that you can attract one beautiful union in your life. Not just love, you are going to share passion, fire with that person. You both peoples will be, maybe you both are going to match with each other very well. Okay, whomever you are dealing with as of now, the emperor, it may be just work connection, nothing more than that. Maybe here you both are working, you both may be doing equal give and take way, or this person may be providing you money, helping you financially. That's it. But whatever the blessing coming in the next 30 days is, One way it is like a fulfillment, contentment. You are going to get completeness with this blessing, because wherever you are right now, with whomever you are dealing, that emperor, no contentment, no nothing. Maybe you just this emperor might be giving money to you, that's it. They may be helping you financially, maybe they offered some job, or they may be giving money, you may be working for them. You should leave this situation. Maybe with the same person you may be going to build something. Okay, if at all you are like, no Anita, this is a work situation, why should I leave the work situation? If at all you leave this work situation, you have marriage, because two of cups means marriage. Okay, so with this two of cups, with whomever you are going to get married, with the same person you may be going to build some business. You both couple may be going to start some business together. Then why you need this job? Why you need this boss? Right? What blessings are coming for you in the next 30 days? What blessings are coming for you? Somewhere you are thinking that, no Anita, this emperor is my wish fulfillment. No, you should leave this person. The reason is, you already know, see, you are the Queen of Cups. The reason why you are thinking this emperor is your wish fulfillment may be sometime when you maybe thought that I should get this kind of person like my partner, which is like they should be like a professional person. They should be like a professional. They should be like a career oriented businessman. I want to get married. Okay, then you maybe had some dream. So when you met this person, you saw, this is a businessman, so I want to get married with a businessman. That's where you are thinking that this is your wish fulfillment. No. Because you already seeing the truth. You became Queen of Cups. You already know the truth. This is death. This situation is death. Whatever you shared with this emperor, the connection, I saw work connection, 6 of Pentacles. It is death. 6 of Wands in the reverse. If at all, this is death. You should leave that. If at all you are like, no Anita, this is my wish fulfillment, I want this emperor in my life, and then you are going to lose your character or reputation or whatever till now you built. I hope you are understanding. Right? You know the truth. It is not that you completely unaware of truth. You know the truth. You are a beautiful Queen of Cups. You should deserve beautiful King of Cups, that loving, caring King of Cups, not the Emperor. If at all you want Emperor, whom you should be? Empress. Where is the Empress energy? What blessings are coming for you in the next 30 days? See, this situation is over, ended, death. The only thing is, this King of Cups also may be right under your nose. Then why you are not seeing is, you are not releasing the cycle. You are not ending this cycle. That is the reason why, even though this King of Cups is right under your nose, you are not seeing it. Because you are still looking at this Emperor. The moment you are like, okay Anita, yes, whatever you said right, I don't want to look at this Emperor. Just I don't want to look at this Emperor. Yes, the moment you turn like this, King of Cups will be there. With the same person, you are going to build business also. You don't need to worry. If at all you are like, now, no Anita, I don't want, with this King of Cups, I will only get love. I want business also. No need to worry. Just get married. Get married. After that, you both are going to become Emperor and Empress. Whomever you are going to get married with, that person, you are going to become the Empress. Your husband is going to turn into the Emperor. You should give time, right? It is not that already someone is boss, I will go and get married with the boss. No, if at all you get married, your wife and husband both can become the boss. It is not that that person only on the planet is boss. Right? It is just maybe they have some business. That's it. You will going to get 10 of Cups family. Beautiful 10 of Cups family. With the same person, with whomever you going to get married, 2 of Cups. With the same person, you are going to build 10 of Cups. You both, when you both get married, first you both you both need to get with each other, right? You both need to know about each other. Once you both know, you both come into that union, beautiful marriage union, both becomes partners. Slowly you will share your interest, slowly you will share your ambitions, goals and all. Then you both will start the business, because I'm seeing same level of passion, fire. It is not that this person is not going to match with you, or you are not going to match with them. No, perfect match. Whomever you are now thinking that this is my wish fulfillment, they are not your match. Why you are feeling, why you want that is because they are already something. So that is the reason I want. No. You can also become something when you get married. We no need someone who already became something, we need to get them, right? You should understand that. You may be just addicted to this person because it is a past connection. This may be your lover. So just obsession is there. That obsession also I am seeing like this is an emperor, I should get them. Such kind of obsession, because they are like a bossy. Obviously, a lot of time I explained when I am working, it is very natural. It is a human psychology. People will fall for the higher authority or their bosses. I used to have a lot of, so many executives, they used to fall for me. It is natural, nothing to take personally there. It is natural when we are working as a team, different with the different people. Obviously, they will get such kind of feelings. Because if at all, especially when the person, someone is like a superior, other is subordinate, right? That is natural. So somewhere, if at all you are working with this person, you fall for them. Okay, when boss is a little bit more close, like me, very funny, very jovial, okay, not like a rude boss, and then people will be more, they will be show interest, more interest, right? Maybe you also felt in that way, but you are not understanding. Be honest with yourself, okay? Because you are still fighting for this. No, Anita, I want this person. No, Anita, I want this person. You carry obsession towards them, not love. You should understand the difference between the love and obsession. See, you came up like a Queen of Cups, but again I got the devil. Not that person. You are the devil. Right? Love yourself. Take control of this devil. The moment you take control of this devil, you will turn into the divine feminine. Right? I always explain, first we need to become Queen of Cups. When we are Queen of Cups, this devil energies will appear in front of us, because it is easy target. Right? Everyone will fall for the Queen of Cups. Very loving, caring, beautiful energy, very nurturing energy. We won't shout, we won't fight, we'll understand everyone, right? But that's where the negative things also come, which is like, hey, this is an easy target, we can take advantage of her, we can use her, she's not going to tell anything. That's where we need to become that Queen of Swords. We need to tame this, control of this devil. Then you are going to turn into the divine feminine. Maybe this King of Cups may be already divine masculine, or they may be also going to turn into the divine masculine. Then you are the divine feminine, they are the divine masculine, both are going to build something together. You are just, what you are thinking is, now I already found someone, I want that person. You are not eligible for that. Understood? You are not eligible for that. To get that place, you should prepare yourself. But you are like, no, I don't want to give up on them. You should give up. Okay, you should give up. You should not work against the universe, because it is a death. You should accept the death. This situation is death. As I said, if at all you are not accepting that death, 5 of Wands I got. You are going to lose your character or reputation. What is this 5 of Wands in the reverse? Victory. You are going to lose some kind of name, fame, success. You maybe already have some name, fame, success. What is this here? This emperor maybe already have empress. Why you are running behind married person? I think yesterday reading also same thing. I felt similar kind of way. Because this is an emperor. This person already married. So you are thinking that this is a boss. So I want to get them even though they are got married. No. Leave it. Leave it. It is not that you are not going to get anyone. As I said, the moment you release this person, okay, Anita, let it be. It is already married person. Why should I go towards them? That's it. Here, King of Cups is there. I hope you are understanding. Right? Don't go for it. If at all you won't do that, whatever character you maybe have till now, you are going to lose everything. Maybe this Empress is going to drag you down because you are going for their family. Okay. What blessings are coming for you in the next 30 days? See here, you just be honest with yourself. Okay, you may be a very single person, or you, if at all you are honest with yourself, you may be already have someone around you who is very single, independent. You can go towards them with the same person. You are going to build 10 of Pentacle. Whatever this Emperor have, I don't know whether this Emperor have 10 of Pentacle or not. Whatever blessing you are getting in the next 30 days, with that person you are going to build 10 of Pentacle. The only thing what you need to do is being loyal with your partner. That's it. Because whomever you are going to get married, they are already 9 of Pentacle. You don't need to do anything. Just be loyal partner to that person, your spouse. Because 2 of Cups, you are getting married in the next 30 days. That is the blessing. But it will only happen when you release the cycle with this Emperor, who is already married, who already have Empress. And this Empress is their destiny. So you should not try to take someone else's destiny. No, this is destiny, this Empress destiny. They already have lifetime commitment. If at all you try to take this Empress destiny, you are going to lose your character, or you are going to get some kind of tarnished by your image, character. I don't know what is going to happen, but 6 of Wands in the reverse. Your own people are going to come against you. So that is the reason I am telling you. Your own people, maybe your own family members, no one is going to support you. They are all going to come against you because you are doing the wrong thing, right? As I said, I am dealing with one child. She's child for me. She's not child. She's 40 years, but when I am dealing, they will be like a children. Okay. She's dealing with someone who is married. They are like a lovers. I told her, you should not go towards them. Okay, she is married. You should not go for the married man. If at all he take divorce, then you can get married with him. But if he is not divorcing, he have wife, he have children, child. So he have family. He have some name, fame, reputation. And I don't know about him. His father is very much worried about that name, reputation, his son. Okay, he is not no more in the 3D. But still he is very much worried about it. She wants him. She is not releasing him. That is the reason why I gave Sun New Beginning to him. I really not aware of it. I know they are lovers, but how much in depth, I don't know. When I asked Krishna why you changed the thing, then he told, she is a dark high priestess. Made the contract with him. That is the reason you need to give, so that you can break this contract. So I told her, I don't know, because just because I'm telling, who will listen, yeah, right? They have their own minds. So I told her in my own way, you should not go because he is married. Release that person. So she said, okay, Mama, I will release. So I don't know whether she released, but now I said, when she met me, I'm getting his energy, within her energy, and she's not letting him to go towards his wife, and completely blocked both people's intuition. Wife and husband both disconnected from the intuition. That is the reason why there is no other option. Immediately my Krishna sent that task to me, so that if at all you keep her engaged with you, these 2 people intuition will be back, so that they will come into the 2 of Cups, because they both, wife and husband, have 2 of Cups. But she is juggling both wife and husband. She is dealing with wife, husband. In that process, she blocked both wife and husband intuition, and she is not letting husband to go towards wife, wife to go towards husband. So these people also dealing with her, not coming into the union. And whenever he want to go, she is not letting him to go. She is holding tightly. I saw that. So I said, you should not do that. Okay, release him, because he is married person. You should not go for the married person. So she said, okay. After that, I observing no more in her energy. He is no more in her energy. I told my Krishna, I said her, but do you really think that she is going to release him? Because I don't trust her. I don't trust her. So my Krishna said, trust her, okay, trust that. Let's see in the future whether she is going to keep that trust or not. If at all you trust someone, then only you will know whether these people belong in your life or not. They deserve to be in your life or not. So give that love. Give that love, whatever love you are giving, healing you are giving, show that love. Don't stop doing that. Give that trust. If at all you trust, then only you will know whether they deserve you or not. So I started giving. I'm not getting. At least in the energetically, I'm not seeing anyone. Her energy is very clean. So I'm feeling, okay, maybe she's not doing it. That's how. Okay. Maybe here you need to release this person, whomever, because they already have Empress. That Empress is their destiny. And they already have long-term commitment with each other. And they maybe already have victory with that Empress. Maybe everyone knows about that. This person is married, they have spouse, they both maybe build some business together. Now you want this person, means you want to take someone else's place. You want to take someone else's destiny, which is not accepted by the universe, right? It is not that, yeah, if someone has become something, means you won't get someone like that. A number of people will be there. Yeah. If at all someone is successful, so to get that successful man, you don't need to wreck their home. Get someone who is intelligent. Get married with them. Both work together. You may be going to become more successful than that people. Who knows? It is depends on you, right? Do that. Okay? You have blessings. It is not that you don't have blessings. You have your own blessings. The only thing is, now you need to build your home from the foundation. Okay? This is already built. One woman, maybe she is an Empress. Maybe she also worked very hard, because home won't built by only women. Okay, you may be looking at that emperor and seeing that this emperor is earned lot, build lot, so I want to go and settle with them. No, if someone built something, means not just this emperor built that. This Empress may be helped that emperor to build. No matter what kind of situation that emperor may be got, this Empress may be stand beside him. That is the reason why they both maybe built something together. Now you want to take this Empress place now. Means you want to steal someone's hard work, right? Someone built, means it is not that emperor built and this person went and became the Empress. Not that. Maybe they also worked very hard. This Empress also maybe time to time supported the emperor to build whatever they built together now. Now simply you just to fall for them and you want to take that place, means it is right or wrong? Absolutely wrong, right? You want to take someone else's destiny, which is not accepted by the universe. So don't do that. It doesn't mean that you don't have any other options, you don't have your own blessings. You have your own blessings. Now what you need to do is get married. Okay, you have 2 of cups, which is marriage. Get married. The moment you get married, your life will be started. You both partners will come together. You both partner will share that marriage life. You both partner is going to build together something. Then you both partners are going to turn into emperor and empress, because this emperor empress may be worked very hard. That is the reason now they became the emperor and empress. You maybe don't know where they started, right? It is not that suddenly they became whole night. No, everyone will start from the scratch. Maybe they are also that time maybe just a Queen of Cups, King of Cups, are just young energies. Maybe they just married when they are just in a 20, 25 years old, youthful energies, young energies. 2 knights maybe got married, or 1 Knight of Wands, Knight of Cups maybe got married, or 2 Knight of Cups may be married. Who knows? Now they worked very hard, together they maybe built something. Now you want to go and take that Empress place, which is injustice, right? Which is not right. You are doing that. Don't do that. Okay, accept this death. You have your own blessings. You don't need to run for someone else's blessings. You don't need to steal someone else's blessings. You are also blessed. The only thing is their timeline may be different. Your timeline just started. They maybe got married 20 years back. You are getting married now. After 20 years, you will be also Empress. Maybe nowadays we don't need to wait for 20 years. Yeah. For them, it maybe took 20 years. Nowadays, 5 to 6 years. If at all you really have that intelligence, if you use that technology, you can build your business. It won't take a lot of time like old days, right? And you can do that. Then why you are running for someone who already built? You want to take someone else's place. Stealing, not take. What is this text? Seven of Cups. This person may be no more trusting you. This emperor, maybe in the past they used to trust you. Now you, I don't know what happened. They may be not even trusting you, and you want that person. Maybe that is the reason why death happened. They are not trusting you. They lost the trust. That is the reason they maybe declare the death. They don't want to deal with you. Now you are like, no, even though you are not trusting, I will become your empress, which is not right. Because not just you are becoming a, you are trying to become empress. If at all that person is a single person, you can go get married. I'm not telling it is wrong. But they are already married. They already have spouse. They already have empress. With them, they already got some victory. Victory means everyone knows about it. It is not that silently, secretly they are doing. No, nothing is hidden here. Your connection may be hidden. I'm not seeing this emperor hold any connection with you. You may be the one who is fall for them because they are a boss. So you are aiming for your boss. Nothing wrong. If at all they are single, you can aim, you can like propose them, get married. Nothing wrong. But they are not single. They already have spouse. And now you want to take that spouse place, which is wrong. Universe is not going to accept this kind of acts. It is not that you don't have any blessings. You have your own blessings. The only thing is, as I said just now, their life may be started 10 years, 20 years back. Your life maybe now it is starting. That's it. That is the only difference. They also have blessings, you also have blessings. Instead of trying to steal someone else's blessing, release this cycle. What is this devil? It is a past cycle here. 10 of Swords. It's over. Just heal from that. Okay, whatever you got, that pain, you're feeling that pain to about this past connection, whatever you shared with this person, take time. No need to rush. Take time, become Queen of Cups, love yourself, give that lot of love to yourself, lot of sleeping needed. You don't need to do anything. Just sleep. Okay, that's it. Keep yourself calm. Don't try to deal with lot of people. Don't try to find out where is this emperor, what they are doing, with whom. No concentration. It is a death. Don't even give focus to that person. Don't even give single minute to that person. Just sleep. If at all you are don't know what to do, sleep. Because in that sleep you are going to heal that pain, 10 of Swords pain. Okay. What is this 4 of Cups? It is death here. They may be you may be trying hard to give that love and all to this person. You may be trying to become Queen of Cups, trying to offer your cup of love. No, this is a death. They are not accepting your cup. You are not understanding. You are pushing someone to take my cup. I'm the Queen of Cups. You should take my cup. I'm the Queen of Cups. You should take. No, calm down. Calm down. Whomever you are stressing yourself. Don't stress. Calm down and release this person. If at all you try to push also, we should not love someone forcefully. They should get that feeling within themselves. They should not love someone forcefully. You are doing that. And they are not trusting you. And you are doing that to someone who is not trusting you. Don't do that. Stop doing that. You are not lost anything here. You did not lost anything. You are going to get your own blessings. You are now why you are not getting that person is not your best blessing. That person is not your destiny. You want to take someone else's destiny. You want to take someone else's blessing. That is the reason why universe is stopping you. Because you are doing the wrong thing. What is the suggestion for you? You are getting the Tower movement because you are not stopping. So you may be going to hit the rock bottom. Because universe is like you are not listening what we are telling. You need to hit the rock bottom. Because when you won't accept the death, as I said in the last readings, you need to meet the death. You need to experience the death in the real time. So that when the death is near to you, when you are going to feel that now you are no more existed. That time you are going to realize that no, yeah, I'm doing something wrong. No, God, please, I'm not going to do it. Then you will be sent back. What is the suggestion for you? Number 3 is very important because 3:30. I connect with the great white brotherhood and radiate pure white light today. See, you are asked to be an example of right living because whatever you are doing, you know that. As I said, Ace of Swords. I'm not saying that you really don't know anything. That is the reason you are running behind something. No, you have a picture clarity, clear, crystal clarity. Whatever you are doing, it is wrong. Even internally, you know. We will inner voice, internally. In Telugu, Atma Sakshi. Right? Internally, your inner self also telling you, your intuition also telling you this is wrong. Whatever you are doing, that is wrong thing you are doing. That person is not belongs to you, but still you want to take someone else's destiny. You know everything, but still you want to do. That is the reason why you are getting the Tower movement. Thank you for watching. So file number 2, whomever choose Amethyst. What blessings are coming for you in the next 30 days? Okay, so meanwhile go and subscribe if at all you not subscribe. If at all you already subscribed, thank you for the subscription. Click the join button, have a look at our YouTube store, watch the ads. What blessings are coming for you? What blessings are coming for my file number 2 in the next 30 days? What blessings are coming for my file number 2 in the next 30 days? Emperor. Getting Ace of Wands with Queen of Wands. What blessings are coming for file number 2 in the next 30 days? What blessings are coming for file number 2? See, you are going to get some kind of Ace of a new beginning, maybe which is like a one business project. You may be going to start with someone who is like a Queen of Wands. They may be also this business oriented person, or you want to do business with someone Queen of Wands, or just maybe a sex connection. Okay, you are going to start something passionate, fiery project, or as I said, some connection, romantic connection, a sex connection with someone. You may be the boss because Emperor. What blessings are coming for you in the next 30 days? What blessings are coming for you in the next 30 days? What blessings are coming for my file number 2 in the next 30 days? Something sneaky I'm getting here. I don't know what is this. Because whomever you are going to get that new beginning, that person may be not going to be loyal with you because they may be already dealing with someone. You are the Emperor. Whomever watching, if at all you are already an Emperor, then you are getting some brand new beginning with Queen of Wands. You are seeing that person like a Queen of Wands. Yes, Anita, this is Queen of Wands. I'm the Emperor. They may be not an Empress, but I can do the business with them, or I can have just a connection with them. But this person is not a Queen of Wands because Knight of Wands I got. So they may be a player. You may be seeing them like a Queen of Wands. So you may be going to get a new beginning with one player who is already dealing with someone as a fling, who is Queen of Pentacles. If at all you are dealing with one feminine energy, at least whomever, if at all you are the Emperor and you are looking someone like a feminine energy, Queen of Wands, business oriented person, passionate, fiery person, you carry some passion or there because of their personality, you are seeing them like a passionate, fiery woman. Actually, in the reality, they are not a woman. They are not a man. They are just a knight. And this knight is already dealing with someone who is like a Queen of Pentacles, who may be married person, who may be housewife. And that person, they don't have any connection except a fling kind of energy. Means they may be just using them for the SEX. No strings attached. That's it. I hope you are understand. Because I'm getting this star card is like a nudity. Means they may be just using their SEX, using them for the SEX. Not even is. This is a fling. That's it. And number 2, what bless? I don't know how come it will be like a blessing for you. What blessings are coming for pile number 2 in the next 30 days? What blessings are coming for pile number 2 in the next 30 days? What blessings are coming for pile number 2 in the next 30 days? See here, if at all you are already dealing with someone, because I'm seeing here you should not trust someone whom you are thinking that Queen of Wands. Maybe you are already dealing with someone, Emperor, okay? You may be the Emperor, you are dealing with someone whom you are seeing like Queen of Wands, you already have a SEX connection with them. Yes, I am seeing complete SEX connection, okay? This entire reading connected to SEX connections. You are dealing with them by thinking that this is a Queen Anita. No, they are the Knight because they are dealing with someone else. So you connected to them, they connected to someone else. And now you may be not dealing with them because someone is sitting and crying because you are not trusting. Or what it is, I am not. A lot of energies came out here, which is not at all related to other energies. Emperor is dealing with Knight by thinking that it is a Queen. This Knight is dealing with Queen of Pentacle by thinking it is a King of Wands. Actually, that is not a King of Wands, that is a Page of Wands. And someone is sitting and crying. Whomever is sitting and crying for 2 people, those 2 people not even trusting them. This may be 3 of Cups situation, friends with benefits, and it all involved with SEX. Except SEX, I'm not seeing any kind of things here. And because of that also, everyone is like a lovers to each other. No one knows about it. If this Emperor is lover to this Knight, no one knows about it. That this Emperor is lover to this Knight, no one knows. This Knight is lover to this Queen of Pentacle and Page of Wands. No one knows about it. What? What? Anita, I thought this person is my Queen of Wands. No, that is a Knight of Wands. Player. One player who is playing with the Emperor as well as who is playing with the other person by thinking that they are King of Wands. No, they are just a fling. So, someone is playing with the Emperor and someone is playing with that player. I hope player is getting played on someone in a very, very, very bad way. That's what I'm getting now. Because they are seeing other person like a King of Wands. Anita, I'm dealing with a King of Wands. I'm just a Knight. I'm just a player. But still I'm dealing with a King of Wands, Queen of Pentacles. No, they are not a King of Wands actually. They are just a Page of Wands. And this person is thinking that I am dealing with a Queen of Wands, Anita. I have Queen in my life. No, they are dealing with a player, not Queen. This Emperor don't know that. Now you're understanding, each other don't know what is their exact energies. So this player thinking that I am playing with Emperor, or I'm playing with both the people, Emperor and King of Wands. But this King of Wands is that player not going to play with me, Anita. I'm just a fling. I'm not taking seriously this person. Like that. This player is played by the universe, I can say. Maybe universe literally sent this person in this player's life so that they can know what it is player, being like a player in someone's life. Because here someone is learning a harsh lesson kind of thing I'm seeing. It is not you. Emperor, right? You are the Emperor. You are not learning lesson. You are dealing with someone who is playing with you, who is a player in your life. So you don't know the truth because you are still seeing them like a Queen of Wands. So universe is playing with that player. That is the blessing for you. because you don't know the truth that whomever you are dealing, that is a player. You are still thinking that that is a queen, that is a player. So universe is like, okay, this emperor is trapped by this knight of wand, trapped by this player. So we will trap this player by page of wands, where this player thinking that fling energy like king of wands. Now you are understanding here. They may be acting like you are the emperor. Who may be watching collective, I am taking you as an emperor because it is blessing for you. If at all you lost someone, whomever you thought that is my queen of wands, it is a blessing in disguise for you. Because whomever you are thinking queen of wands, they are not a queen of wands, they are a player. They are in your life to play with you. They are not a stable person, they are not a grounded person, they are not a queen of wands, they are going to build a business with you. No, one player acting themselves like, they may be presenting themselves in front of you like, I am the queen of wands, I can build a business. Same thing what universe did is, okay, you are playing with the emperor by presenting yourself like a queen of wands. Okay, now I will send someone who is going to play with you like king of wands. Now they went towards someone and they are played like, I'm the king of wands. This person is like, okay, I'm the knight of wands. And this knight of wands thought that I got the king of wands. See, I got emperor, I got king of wands. In actually that king of wands is not king of wands. It is a page. It is a fling energy. So maybe you don't know that someone is playing with you. They are playing with you. They are not stable in your life. They are in and out in your life. You may be not even focusing on that because you may be completely busy on your work. That can be the case. Now universe is playing with that player, teaching the lesson to that player. That's it. By sending someone more degraded person or more good actor than them, because they are acting like I'm the queen of wands. They are sending someone. Their acting is a higher level. Yeah, because see, this is a knight, so they are playing like a queen of wands. Whomever playing like a king of wands, that is just a page. One page is playing like a king of wands, so it is more efficient actor. So you are acting with the emperor like a queen of wands. We will send some excellent actor than you, excellent performer than you, who is a page, but they are going to act like the king. So that's how universe taking care of you, emperor. Show gratitude to the universe. You are blessed. This is a blessing, really. It is a blessing. One player is maybe going to run away from your life because this person is not letting you to, maybe this player is not letting you to settle in your life. Maybe this player is not letting you to get married with your empress or get settled with your empress. That is the reason why universe is teaching this player lesson by sending one fling energy in their life and showing that this is a king of wands. So whom they were going to give importance to? The king of wands, right? Same thing. So if at all they left you, don't sit and cry. If at all you are the one who is sitting and crying, who is this sitting and crying here? Who is this person sitting and crying, feeling depressed? King of Swords. Maybe you are the one. Emperor. You may be the one who is very logical. That is the reason where you may be not seeing that whether this person is a queen or knight. You may be just seeing logically and thinking that yes, Anita, see, I'm seeing Anita, they are business oriented. They can do the business. They have a lot of ambitions, goals. Everything in the air because King of Swords. And this is a knight. They may be running here to here, here to here, here to here, and they are telling that I'm doing business with this person, that person, that person, that person, that person. How long it is going to take here? How much time it will? You can go and take picture with someone. You can go take picture with someone. 2-3 business people, you take some pictures and you can post in the internet that I'm doing business with this. Everyone think that, oh, this is a businessman. Nowadays it is easy to fake things. Okay, it is not. It won't take much time to fake the things. And this is not a real deal. But you are thinking, this person made you to think that they are the real deal. That is the reason universe sent someone to teach the lesson. If at all you are the one, don't sit and cry for this knight. Whomever you are, at least in your perception, they are queen. No, they are not a queen. This is a player who don't want you to settle in your life, you to get married, you to have your own empress, I hope you are understanding. You to build your own empire. So don't sit and cry for this person. Focus on your work. You are going to receive your love. And when it comes to this person, don't trust this player because they want to keep you in the third party situation. They're not just dealing with you. Even though you are looking at them like a queen of wands, this is a three of cups. This is a devil energy. That is the reason I'm telling. It is a knight. They just have obsession addictions. So whenever they want, they are coming to you. They are taking that addiction, leaving. They may be simping your energy, going. They are going to someone else. That someone else is, they think that it is a king of wands. So it is three of cups. It is a devil. But you are thinking that it is your lover. So universe removing this lover from your life. Don't sit and cry about this person. Okay. This is your blessing that finally one player is removed from your life. So now you can settle with your empress. Just to focus on yourself, you are going to receive your love. And don't trust this person. Close your doors for this player. Because it is a player. Today they will go. Again, after 3 months, they will come into your life, pop up into your life and tell that, hey, what's up? If at all you are telling, what happened here? From past 3 months, where you are? Hey, you know, I'm doing the business here. You already know that I'm like a businesswoman. I need to go here. I need to go there. I need to meet them. I need to meet this person. Don't let this person to come back in your life. Okay? The only thing what you need to do is closing your doors for this person permanently. Because universe already removed this person, right? Don't again open the doors for this person. That is your blessing in the next 30 days. Maybe now you may be not dealing with them. If at all you are sitting and crying, don't do that. Because whatever you lost, it is a blessing in disguise, which is not letting you to be like an emperor and you to get your empress. It is a distraction. Whomever that person, that is a distraction. Universe remove that distraction from your life by using some other distraction for them. What blessings are coming for my pile number 2 in the next 30 days? You are getting 2 of cups with your queen of cups. With the same person you are going to build 10 of pentacles. You are the king of cups maybe. Or you may be the one who will become the king of cups, or you already may be king of cups. This person, because of this player, you are unable to see who is what, whom you are worthy of, what you can build. And this person is not letting you to see your worth, own worth, see whom you deserve. Because they are in and out, in and out, in and out. So you are getting your blessings, which is 2 of cups. Maybe you need to watch pile number, what is this here? Pile number 1. There's something I got. You're getting your blessings here, don't worry, okay? This person is stopping whomever you thought that this is my queen of wands. The same person is stopping your blessings. They blocked entire your blessings. Why you thought this is a queen of wands here, even though they are clearly knight? You did not understood when they are in and out, they are not stable with you. Why you thought? Because you came up like an emperor. Emperor means intelligent person, right? At least you have knowledge, worldly knowledge. Then how come you fall for this knight? And how come you thought that this is a... I don't want to speak. Wish fulfillment. So they may be presented that I am your wish fulfillment. Maybe this person already found out about you. What you like, what you don't like, what is your desires, what is your wishes, what kind of partner you are looking for. They may be already found out. So when they presented themselves in front of you, they presented like whatever you asked for or desired for. Other than that, this person is not what you are thinking. They are knight. Whenever they are coming to you, they are acting like whatever you want to see. I hope you understand. See, if at all someone is very old fashioned, okay, let me take it in that way, but they maybe want you. When they found out that, they came to know that you like modern girls, business oriented people who do the business, who are independent, who have goals, ambitions, who have that passion, fire to achieve something, do something, achieve something, make their own name, create their own name, right? They came to know about it. So they want to come into your life. How? If at all they came like they cannot do all those things, they are not they don't have capability to do business and all, you are not going to accept them, right? So what they did is, when they are coming to you, when they came, they acted like, yes, I'm passionate, I'm fiery, I have ambitions, I have goals, I want to achieve this, I want to achieve that, I want to build this, I want to build that. So you are like, wow, what is this, yeah? This is what I'm always expecting, this is what I'm always desiring for. Finally I got the person whomever I'm desiring for. This is the same person I'm desiring for, right? With you only they are acting in that way, because that is not their original energy, they are night. This is a player and just a young energy, where this young energy can go here and there. As I said, yeah, just now they can go here and there, show that energy, take the pictures, meet so many people. They can do. Not business. Know the difference? Fin of man. They won't do here and go. They want to here and go. They won't. Their energy will be different. Their personality speaks. They no need to speak. Their personality speaks. When that moment they enter into the room, their energy speaks. This person won't carry that energy. Why you are unable to observe that is, you are a logical person. So they may be said, just now as I said, they may be took pictures with this person, with that person, with this person, with that person, and said that, see, I'm doing business with this person, I'm doing business with them, I'm doing business, next project is with this person, next project is there. You are also like, yes, Anita, this person is working with so many people, and this so many people are very reputed people, are very high-end people, powerful people. It is really great to work with them. So I got such a person. Actually, not. You fall for that because you are a king of swords. Logical. You did not thought in the practical level. If at all they are working that project, what we will ask, where is that project here? Who is working? How long it is going to take? What is the main concept of it? Why they started that? Why they want to do it? Why you selected that? Lot of questions will rise, right? You did not ask anything. Don't worry, this is a blessing. If at all you are sitting and crying, you don't need to do that, because you get rid of one player who is not letting you to become 10 of Pentacles, you to get your own 10 of Pentacles, you to get your own Empress, you to get your 10 of Cups, right? You are getting marriage, you are getting 2 of Cups, you are getting your Queen of Cups, you are getting 10 of Cups. With the same person, you are getting 10 of Pentacles. As I said, maybe here your person, maybe whomever going to become Empress, they already 9 of Pentacles. With that person, you are going to build 10 of Pentacles. You don't need to deal with this Knight. Okay? They may be just addictions. What is this obsession here? Knight of Wands again. They may have obsessions. That's it. No. Or this person may be playing so many roles in different people's lives, which is like, maybe in someone else's, this King of Wands life, they may be playing Divine Feminine role. Because see, I got Divine Feminine. So with this King of Wands life, they may be playing like a Divine Feminine, and they are very intuitive person. They are like a healer. They can do anything. They know a lot of things. But original energy is Devil and Knight of Wands, right? In your life, they are playing the role of Queen of Wands. In this King of Wands life, they are playing the role of same Knight of Wands. They are playing the role of Divine Feminine and healer. So they may be fall for it. They may be fall for this person by thinking that, oh, this is a Divine Feminine. No, actually, maybe, I will tell you then. Why they fall for it is, they are not the Divine Masculine. If at all originally Divine Masculine, they know who is Divine Feminine. But as I said in the initially, whomever they thought that this is a King of Wands, Divine Masculine, I should be like a Divine Feminine for them, that person is not a Divine Masculine. They are also playing like this person. They are Page of Wands. They are just a fling. They are just a page. With that person, they are acting like I'm the Divine Feminine. How I'm getting, one movie I watched, which is like a very funny movie. I love that movie. They even took 1, 2, 3 parts kind of way. A very, very funny movie, family movie. In that movie, one girl who is like working in the homes, like who is like a maid, homemaid. So in that homes, they give some clothes to her, whichever useless clothes. She used to wear that stylish clothes, and she used to go to the completing the work. She used to go to the mall, same using that car for buying some groceries, right? She used to act like she's the owner of that car. She belongs to one reputed family, highly, yes, something like wealthy family, rich family. One guy also same way. He is also used to wear branded dresses, branded clothes. He used to rent cars, branded cars. He used to act like he's a very rich guy. So one rich kid, one rich girl, rich guy. They both fall in love. But when they came to know about it, both are poor. Same thing here. This person acted with you like a queen of wands. Someone acted with them like a king of wands. So they both are together now. You don't need to bother. Let them go because you are saved from this player. I think maybe it is going to happen in the movies. Maybe the real life also it is happening because I'm seeing here. Because this person thought that this is a king of wands, so I should act like a divine feminine. Why this person failed to understand whether this is a divine feminine or not? Because they are not a king of wands. They are a page of wands. So how come one page of wands knows that what is a divine feminine? They don't know that, right? So whomever comes act like a divine feminine, this person is like, oh, maybe they are the divine feminine. Very well played. Two excellent actors who are acting very well. So they may be acted with you. They try to play with you. You have sent someone to play with that person. Play with that other player. What is the suggestion for you? So do it for you, okay? And unplug and relax here. If at all you need to go towards some new beginning, if at all you already have Empress, you just because of this stupid person by thinking that this is my wish fulfillment, this is my wish fulfillment, and you fail to go towards your Empress, run away from this person. Don't think for the single moment. Go towards your Empress, okay? Just think about it. Here you don't need to bother here. I don't know why I got do it for you. You are going to get the tower moment when you come to know that this is not a queen and this is a knight, and they are not going to build any kind of business. They are just playing with you. And they got played with someone. You don't need to take revenge and all. You don't need to go towards that person and tell that, hey, why did you acted like queen of wands? Why you cheated me? No, don't do anything. That garbage is already cleaned from your life, right? Now in your life there is no garbage. This person is no more existed in your life. Immediately fly to your, who is this person whom you maybe already have love here. You need to take a plunge towards that person with whom you are going to build 10 of Pentacles, who is like a Queen of Cups or King of Cups. Who is this person here? Which is your Empress, okay? This person may be confused as of now because they don't know whom to choose. Okay, this person is confused. They are not making any decision. The reason why they are in the confusion situation is you need to go towards them. So universe don't want this person to go somewhere. They are keeping that person, your counterpart, in a confusion mode, so that they won't go anywhere. So that here, meanwhile, they are sitting in the confusion, your counterpart sitting in the confusion. They remove this player so that you can go towards your person, clear the confusion. It's a great thing. Universe has helped you like anything here. You don't know that someone played very well. One player played very well. Don't do anything, okay? They got played by someone who is page. I open myself to the wisdom and guidance of Hilarion. See, your guidance is to sit quietly and ask him to help. That you can do all. You just sit, because somewhere you may be not getting courage to take plunge towards someone whomever you need to go counterpart. Sit calmly, okay? Sit silently. Universe will guide you what to do. Listen to it. Take that step. Okay? Thank you for watching. So pile number 3, whomever choose Lapis Lazuli. So what blessings are coming for you in the next 30 days? I really like pile number 1, pile number 2, which is like really blessings. So what blessings are coming for you? Some kind of financial help is coming towards you. Okay, if at all as of now you are going through some kind of financial troubles where you are thinking that Anita, my life is effed up, everything is running back, like the time is going back, or everything is, that wheel is completely going against me. I really don't know what to do. things are working against me, or whatever I am doing, everything is, have patience. Things will not come under your control. Time will come. Time is going to favor you. Okay. So your wheel is going to turn into your favor. Now, as of now, when you are watching the reading, it is not in your favor. Okay. Don't get into the depression and all. Give some time. Within next 30 days, you are going to receive some stable opportunity from someone. Financial opportunity, that can be job opportunity, some kind of business opportunity, work opportunity, no matter what, financial stable opportunity you are going to get. Work related, okay, your career related, it is going to help you to turn that wheel into your favor. So pile number 3. Pile number 3. What blessings are coming for my pile number 3 in the next 30 days? Justice is coming. Maybe that opportunity is your justice. You should get that opportunity. Okay. But maybe before getting that opportunities, you maybe need to end certain things in your life. You need to declare the death to certain situations. As simple as maybe you need to leave your old job. Yeah, you maybe need to resign your old job. You may be not doing that by thinking that no, Anita, if at all I resign this job, where I am going to get the job? Now you won't be having any other option. Universe maybe took that job from you. As of now, when you are watching this reading also, you may be like, yes, Anita, I lost my job and I really don't know what is happening. I lost my job. Next month bills, I don't know how to pay my bills. Everything is going down. Everything is losing. As I said just now, bad luck came into my life. Nothing. Something maybe you are not releasing. Even though it is not serving you. You may be settling for the less. So universe is like, yeah, this person is settling for the less. Pile number 3 is settling for the less. So better we will remove everything. That is the reason they ended everything. Okay. Because you need to get the justice, which is for something stable. Not just like someone is giving piece of money, you should get satisfied. Which is like, maybe you are working some organization, you are getting the money, you lost your job. Now Anita, yes, I lost the job. Next month I don't know how to pay my bills. What will be my future? You're worried. So somewhere you are thinking it is all bad things are happening in my life. No. Actually, you need to become the emperor. That is your justice. Means you need to start your own business. You should be like your boss, your own boss. Why you are working under someone else's? Why you became employed to some other boss? Right? That is the reason why. So you are getting your justice. Whatever you deserve, whatever you are blessing, you are getting that. Pile number 3. What blessings are coming for my pile number 3 in the next 30 days? Yes. You may be becoming the emperor, or you may be going to get emperor with whom you are going to work together, with whom you are going to stay together. You both may be going to start something together. You both are going to work in that same project where someone will be like an emperor, either you or based on your energy. Okay, if at all you are a feminine energy, you will be like an empress, you will get your emperor. Or you yourself is a masculine energy, then you are going to get your boss position. That is what you deserve. You should not settle for the pages. Page of Pentacle. Someone is working under someone, they are paying money to you every month. You should not settle for the less. Maybe you deserve to do something huge. Pile number 3. What blessings are coming for you in the next 30 days? What blessings are coming for my pile number 3 in the next 30 days? What blessings are coming for pile number 3 in the next 30 days? What blessings are coming for pile number 3 in the next 30 days? Something is happening here which you really don't know, and universe don't want you to know. Whatever is happening behind the scenes, the universe is like, you don't need to bother about it. We are bringing the justice to you. So something injustice may be happening to you, you know it or not. And someone trying to do injustice to you, you know it or not, I don't know. But maybe universe is like, no, yeah, because you may be the one who is divine feminine, queen of cups. So in someone may be doing injustice to you, who is queen of cups, divine feminine, who deserve whatever belongs to you, you should get, right? But someone may be doing injustice. Universe is like, we will bring the justice to you, because I'm not seeing you are doing anything to get that justice. You are simply sitting. Universe also may be like, hey, you don't bother, worry. Okay, file number 3. If at all you are the one who is divine feminine, who is queen of cups, you don't even know that you are getting this justice. Universe is working very hard. Universe is fighting for you to get the justice. If someone trying to stop your justice, universe is taking stand for you. Universe is fighting for you. Universe is creating a lot of problems for them, whomever trying to stop your justice. So don't bother about anything. Okay, maybe you have your wish fulfillment with whom you think that you have 10 of cups. But some people maybe don't want you to get this, because 5 of wands I got. Some people may be trying to fight. I'm not saying whether you are fighting, because your energy is very clean. You don't even know that someone is fighting behind you to stop your blessings or take your blessings. But universe is bringing the justice, because this is your justice. It is not just a blessing. Maybe whatever you did, you should get this. This is your justice. It is not that just universe want to bless you like this. You maybe did a lot of hard work. So because of that hard work, now it is to get this thing is your justice. But some idiots, who is this 5 of wands? One person I'm seeing, or 2 idiots who is fighting, who is not letting you to get this justice. Who is this 5 of wands here? Maybe someone is in the poverty, or they may be have fear of poverty, or they may be already on the street. They want to take your blessings, which is really belongs to you. So someone is speaking the truth to them. God blessings are coming for my pile number 3 in the next 30 days. You may be going to know the truth, what exactly it is happening, who is that people who is stopping you to get your justice. There are 2 people here, okay, because 5 of wands, 2 people are doing that. Wantedly they are doing. It is not that unknowingly they are doing. They know that it is your blessing. They know that it is your justice. They are wantedly doing, because they want you should not get this justice. Competitors kind of people. Maybe they want to steal your justice. Not blessings. I don't want to take it like a blessing, because directly it came justice. You know the truth. You know the truth, because you may be you are a divine feminine. You may be, if at all you are working for the universe like me, so universe maybe already have some blessings for you or justice for you, because you are working for the universe. So you may be already helpful so many people. So in the exchange, right, whatever work you did, whatever you did for them, you should get the justice, which is like when we work for the 3D people, we will get pay, right? We will get some money in the form of pay. So you maybe did your work, your divine work, or you may be helped based on your healing energy, divine feminine energy, queen of cups. You played mother role, you played divine feminine mother role, you played healer, you may be healed someone, you became mother to someone, you became divine feminine to someone. But 2 people don't want you to get your justice. Means they don't want, and that justice is not seeing money. It is 10 of cups family. You may be have beautiful 10 of cups family with someone, or you may be need to get married with your divine masculine, and you need to have beautiful 10 of cups family. These 2 idiots don't want you to get that. Why they don't want you to get married? Who is this people here? What blessings are coming for you in the next 30 days, pile number 3? Yeah, see, no one can stop. Whichever belongs to us, it will come to us. No matter, even we will try for it. We don't even know. If at all you are divine feminine, you maybe don't even know. We just work for the universe. We just work for our divine. That's it. We don't even expect anything in the return, because we feel that working with them is a great thing, and they will take care of everything, right? You may be doing that. You are receiving your destiny. This is your destiny. Getting that one long-term reliable partnership, Ten of Pentacle, Ten of Cups is your destiny, and two idiots are stopping you to get your destiny. These people may be going to end up in jail, or something strange is going to happen to them. I'm not seeing normal thing. Maybe you are the Empress. And someone maybe want to steal your Emperor. Not one, two people trying to do that. They want to take your blessings. They want to take your Ten of Cups. They want to take your Ten of Pentacle. Actually, you are the eligible person for this. Now, I thought in the 3D only it will happen. When we work in the organizations, people will try to take our work, try to give their name. In the spiritual realm also happens. No, universe will take care of it. We no need to bother about it. We need to show that dedication, loyalty to our divine. That's it. File number 3. What blessings are coming for you in the next 30 days? Yeah, these people are creating lot of stuff for your person by creating competition kind of thing. If at all your Emperor want to come towards you, okay, they know that you are their person. They should get married with you. They should share beautiful Ten of Cups with you, Ten of Pentacle with you. They want to come towards you. So whenever they want to come towards you, two people are fighting for them. I want you means no, I want you. I want this Emperor means no, I want this Emperor. So this Emperor is getting confused. Whom to choose? Shall I go towards my person, whomever the Empress, who is really deserved justice, or I should settle for these two people who is already fighting for me? So these people literally wantedly creating that competition so that your Emperor should not listen to their intuition, and they should settle with this low vibrational energy. These people are low vibrational energy. They may be going to get the karma for working against the universe, or they may be trying to sabotage one divine feminine's life. They maybe don't know who the divine feminine means. They maybe never messed with the divine feminines. What blessings are coming for you in the next 30 days? File number 3. Yeah, someone may be going to meet the death. What blessings are coming for you in the next 30 days? Maybe here someone strongly stopping your divine masculine to come towards you. That person is going to meet the death finally. Maybe one person who has strong hold on your divine masculine, who is like a devil. That person is meeting the death. Universe is giving death to that person because they are not letting your person to listen to their intuition. They may be keeping in addictions, or they may be completely blocking your. I'm seeing more than anything, this person may be keeping in addictions. Other person, low vibrational energy, so that whenever they want to come towards you, also they should only think about that person. They have strong hold on your divine masculine. They are meeting the death. Universe is removing that person. Maybe you are going to hear, if at all you know these people, you may be going to hear about someone's death. Because that person holds strong hold, I am seeing. Because your Emperor, whomever coming towards you, they are not normal person. They may be already divine masculine and Emperor, but they have strong hold, which is like whenever, if at all they want to, they know that your Emperor knows that already. Whomever the divine masculine knows that you are the divine feminine, they should get married with you. That is the justice, and they should have Ten of Cups, Ten of Pentacles with you. That is the justice they know. But someone in their life, they are not letting your person to come towards you. They are not letting your person to do what they want to do. I hope you are understanding. That is the reason removing. Universe is giving death to this person. And that someone is Page. This person may be working under your Emperor, because Emperor, this is a small energy, Page. They may be dependent on your Emperor for the sake of money. Yeah, codependent energy. And this person keeping your Emperor with their beautiful body, or if at all they have some looks, they are keeping your person with addictions by having sneaky link. This is a work connection. but they created sneaky link with your emperor. They are completely luring them with their physical body. Even though your emperor knows that getting married with you is justice, but this person not letting them to have consciousness about the justice. They want your divine masculine or emperor to do injustice to you. So this person using their physical body so that your divine masculine or emperor should do injustice to you and settle with them in a sneaky link, because they are not married. This is just a sneaky link, and this is just a page. Your emperor is not sharing any wealth kind of thing with them. They may be just giving money to them on the monthly basis by using their physical body, and they are completely dependent on that money, codependent on that money. Means every month they may be giving pleasure to your emperor, and this person may be giving money to them monthly basis. No, they are not a prostitute. This person maybe went towards your emperor for the sake of job, but meanwhile they took control of your emperor with lust. I'm not even seeing passion, just to body, that's it. No wants here. So your emperor maybe don't not even have passion for this person. They don't care any kind of passion, fire, love, emotion, nothing. But they maybe carry such a body where maybe they're ready. If at all someone do anything, maybe this person don't set the boundaries. That can be the case. That is the reason this is easy thing. They no need to struggle. Your emperor no need to struggle. Moreover, they may be used to jump into your emperor's bedroom, and they are ready for it. That's how this person not letting this emperor to do the justice to you. So they are meeting the death. Universe is removing this person, because this person is not just for the emperor. This person is not good for anyone. They are using their physical body to keep powerful people. No, what I'm seeing is this person using their body to powerful people to abuse their power. You are understanding? This person may be abusing their power. This emperor may be abusing their power because of this. Because they are sleeping with them, they may be doing whatever they are asking. And what they are asking, which emperor should not do that? Which is like abusing the power of emperor power. Emperor means some powerful person. They are making your emperor to abuse the power. That is the reason why they are directly meeting the death. Universe is directly taking this person from this planet. This is a very dangerous person here. Maybe if at all this person is killing someone by using this emperor power, no one knows that. Because this emperor is completely this control of this person. Who is this person here? Who is this star? Who is codependent, clingy towards them, not letting them to go. Completely, whenever they want to go, they may be taking them controlled by sex, SEX, purely SEX. No passion, no fire, no emotion, no feelings, nothing. Just SEX. In the return, this emperor is not sharing any wealth. They may be just giving piece of money every month. They may be paying something. That's it. But they want this for entire life. This emperor should not get married. Entire life they should become mistress kind of way. Not even mistress. It is like in a sneaky link. Who is this star? Nudity. Maybe porn star I'm seeing. Maybe this person have the ability to keep people in that, take into control of that SEX. This is a fling energy here. And unfortunately your emperor married to them. Who is married here? Page of Wands married to whom? Secretly. Moon. Yes. They married to this person. They married to one porn star. Whether your emperor knows that this is a porn star, I don't know. But they married to porn star. And this porn star is now not letting your emperor to come towards you and get married with you. Your emperor became Queen of Swords. They are not letting this person to come, but still they hold a strong hold. I'm seeing they are not like, if at all they are telling you should not come. No, this person holds strong hold. Maybe this emperor cannot stop themselves when they see this person. They maybe rip their clothes. That nudity, complete nudity I'm seeing here. That is the reason why death I got immediately, directly. There's no other like cycle ending, 10 of swords, 3 of nothing. That's it. The reason is this person turning one emperor into power abuser. You know, this emperor knows it or not. This emperor may be already abused their power because of this porn star. This is a pure porn star. You know, when people watch porn, their brain will won't be in their control. It is not passion, it is not fire, it is not love, it is not emotion. It is just PORN. That's it. This person have that ability, and they misused that ability with one powerful person, so that this powerful person can abuse their power and do injustice to one divine feminine, divine being. That is the reason this person is dying. Then who is that? Who is other person who is competing? What is the secret, yeah? Why they married with one porn star secretly? Tower moment. You maybe don't know this. This person married to porn star secretly. Why? That to traditional way. They maybe have certificate also. Marriage certificate kind of thing. Why they married to this person? What is this tower moment? 9 of Wands. They are not trusting you, or not trusting someone who is like a king of pentacles. This person did something. This porn star did something, so your person not trusting. Even though they got married traditionally, they maybe have certificate also, marriage certificate kind of thing. They maybe have pictures, photos also. So now they maybe did something. They maybe took Ace of Wands, Ace of Pentacles with someone. Or they may be, even this porn star may be married multiple people. Yeah, your person maybe don't know the truth, and they may be deal with this person by thinking that this is spouse, married person. But they came to know about truth. They already have Ace of Pentacles with someone else, and they are not giving up on that person also. That is the reason now they became Queen of Swords. How can you play with me? They became Queen of Swords. This person is playing with, maybe this person is taking control of powerful people in the society. And when they want to go towards their destinies, they are not letting them to go. Moreover, they are abusing their power. If at all they are getting married, they are just using for money, that's a different story. But this person is abusing their power. Now they are not trusting. Your person is not trusting, so they became Queen of Swords, but still this person hold a lot of control over in your person. I don't know how come I can explain here. If at all someone watch porn here, okay, I will tell you, they will get addicted. How difficult it to come out of it, right? If at all you ask that person suddenly, you should not watch, you should leave this, you should come out of this addiction, how that person is going to feel? It is very difficult for them. Your person is in that stage. You know it or not, your person is right in that stage. That person brain is completely filled with that porn star. Even though you are giving love, they are not understanding. Even though you are beautiful Queen of Cups, they are not understanding. Even though you are strong divine feminine, they are not understanding. Even though you try to heal them, they are not understanding. Their brain is completely filled, that is like a programmed with this porn star. So universe don't have any other option. Not just that, they are not giving up on, they married to someone else also. Who is this person not giving up on? Magician. They married to someone else who is like a magician. They married to your person emperor. They married to someone else who is like a magician. That person also worried about this person now, because they are not letting that person to go. So this person may be, at least here I got 2 people. They married to 2 people traditionally. They have 2 people certificate, marriage pictures, everything. And whenever they want to leave, this person not letting them to leave. They completely filled their brains with this porn thing. That is the reason universe is giving death, because there is no other option. Once this, see, I thought death means maybe this cycle is ending, or the situation they want to end. No ending for this, because that person is, how I'm seeing is this emperor brain is completely filled with that. See, when I'm closing that eyes, that porn star is coming. It means someone, one nude woman is coming. Their brain is not working. Their brain is completely filled with that nudity. And not just that, they are abusing the power. They are making this powerful people, this magician power, this emperor power. They both maybe became abusers, power abusers. This emperor maybe already abused their power. Whatever power they maybe had, they already abused their power. This magician, maybe whatever they are magician, they maybe already became dark magician. They may be already doing all the darker things. That is the reason universe don't have. See, I thought maybe, see, let's see, maybe they are ending the cycle. So someone is leaving this one earth. It is very important, because this person not just taking the control of the people. See, if someone watches porn, what will happen? They will get addicted to that. They will go to rehab centers. They will come out of it. This person keeping that nudity, porn addiction to powerful people, to abuse their powers, so that whatever this person is telling, they will do that. Now they are taking control of their brains by showing the porn, or they themselves became porn star. I don't know how they will do it, but it is a porn star card. That is the reason I'm telling. They are not a prostitute. This person is not a prostitute. This is a pure porn star. They may do porn. They may be letting these people to watch every time that porn. That is the reason I always say, in the initially also sometimes I got this kind of messages long back. I said you should stay out of these things, because we don't even understand when our brain went towards that. Our brain will be dead, completely dead. It won't work. You will be stay in the lot of people's, like with lot of people, still you don't know what is happening, because your brain will be completely filled with that content only. Oh, someone is very dangerous. They are taking control of powerful people to abuse their power. So don't worry, because your justice is coming, because universe don't have any other option than killing this person. Maybe this is two people only in your energy. Without you, so many people maybe there are so many people who are in this person's control. They may be trapped so many powerful people. Now you may be connected to two people. The two people came out. What is the suggestion for you? Tower moment you are getting here. And whomever watching, think first before you judge. The reason is, see, if at all, once I said right? Now you are like, yes, Anita, this person kept in the complete addiction. No, yeah, we should have that control. As I said, when I was in 26, 27 years, that time maybe our age, our hormones, maybe in that way. When I'm using that mobile, like not this smart mobiles that time. Smart mobiles, normally smart mobiles, 2G phones. But still they used to send some content when we are watching YouTube. Some videos in the YouTube, that is used to come. So I used to get tempted. Really, I used to get tempted. Let's watch. Let's click on that. No, Anita, you should not do that. We will get addicted to that. So I used to remove that again. I immediately used to come out of. So it is our temptation. The moment you don't go towards that, it won't be there. Even when my brother, he used to use some normal mobile, always used to pop up some kind of this kind of content messages. So he always used to come and ask, Akka, how to remove this? This is coming. I'm not even clicking them. They are taking directing to that browser. How to stop it? That is a Dabba mobile. So I said, brother, you cannot do with this phone. Change the phone. Because they don't have that pop-up blockers and all. That mobile won't hold. Nowadays we are getting lot of things which is like we have our own settings. We should not get notifications and all, pop-up things and all. We can do that. Even default it is coming. That old phones are not like that. Everything we used to pop up. We need to do moreover just a touching. It is used to direct you to that browser. He always used to have problem. I said first change your mobile. So he brought new mobile. So it is, if at all you are judging this person one way or other way, you are also one reason. When they are doing it, you should not go towards that. Right? You should not go towards that. So don't judge. Anyway, you are getting the tower moment because this person is meeting that death, physical death. Maybe when you get to hear this death, what is that message? That person is no more. Feel happy because not just you two people, you are the emperor, other person is a magician. They may be abusing this magician's powers because of this porn star. So many people maybe. Right? When they can take control of two powerful people, they can take control of other people also, right? What is the suggestion for you? I stand in my power. Yeah, you are the one divine masculine maybe. See, you are getting your justice. If at all, just now whomever watched, you are the divine masculine and you are not going towards your divine feminine, even though you know all the things, but still, because see, okay, even though you know all the things, yes, Anita, this is my divine feminine, this is my queen of cups, with this person, I should get married, I should build 10 of pentacle, I have life purpose. I know I should get the justice, I should give justice to this person, but because of this porn star, I'm unable to do that. Don't worry, you are getting message, like you may be going to receive the information that that porn star is no more alive. You need to become the divine masculine, yeah. I don't know how you went towards this porn star. You have a great life purpose. The perfected man on whom the new root race of humanity with its 12 strands of connected and active DNA will be based. I think you may be the powerful leader who is going to change or who is going to work for the masses. That is the reason why this person getting the death. You are not a normal person. Maybe this person messed with someone whom they should not mess. Because you are not that just you need to go towards someone, you need to get married and you need to have children. No. You maybe have that life purpose where you need to bring the change in entire world. Bigger level. Masses. And they are abusing your power. That is the reason they are meeting that. I really wonder why completely death. They can do something. Like if at all they are porn star, they can do something to their body. So they cannot do porn. But no, this person is gone. Maybe so many people may be there. Here I am getting that message. This person may be trapped with so many powerful people, not normal people. That is the reason when they come for you, ending came. Maybe actually sometimes it happens. Okay. They may be thought that they are targeting you. No, actually universe sent you towards them to target them. So the moment they catched you, they thought that they trapped you. They write their own death sentence. They wrote their own death sentence. Sometimes it happens. Because I always used to think that why these people are behind me, or why these people are targeting me, or why these people came into you. Really lot of irritation. Finally I realized it in the 2025 in the initial days. No, actually they are not targeting me. 25 I realized it. Till 24 December also, why these people are targeting me? Then I realized, no. They are not targeting me. Universe targeted them, sending me, crossing their paths. The moment they came for me, they destroyed their lives. Sometimes universe choose like that. So if at all in your case, if at all you are thinking, Anita, why these people came into my life? They did not target it. Universe targeted them The moment you became the target, now you are the ending. You are putting the full stop for it, because now this person is no more going to exist on this planet, and they are no more going to take control of any other powerful people, no more going to abuse their power in the society. Okay, so don't worry, you are getting your justice. You are getting your justice, your divine feminine, your queen of cups. If at all you are the healer, whom you need to become the healer, you need to change the world, you need to bring that healing energy, give that healing to a lot of people. This person may be not letting you to become the healer also, because your completely brain is filled with porn. I'm not even seeing a CX. Okay, so don't judge anyone. You are getting the Tower moment because you are going to hear the death of this person news. Release it, go and get married with your person. Be on your north road. Okay, this may be your life purpose. Be on that life purpose and never ever get into these things again. Okay, actually it will happen. The reason is, as I said, universe target them by using us, because the moment they come for us, their chapter will be closed. Now they are never going to target other person, right? And with us only, full stop. Thank you for watching.